Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY balloon garland. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so I did some research. I wanted to order some balloons for my birthday party that I'm having, and I called around to some event companies and they were so expensive, anywhere from $250 to $400-$500 for a balloon garland with a backdrop, and that just sounded ridiculous to me for some balloons. So I decided to order some balloons online and just do it myself. I saw that on Amazon you can get a kit, so that's what I did. I ordered a balloon kit, and then I also ordered a balloon pump. So the balloon kit looks like this, and it comes with 124 balloons, I believe it is. It also comes with the balloon tape, the little balloon tape or balloon glue, and it comes with this little blue thing here, which is you put it around your hand like this, you put it on your fingers, and when you blow the balloon up, you take the balloon and you wrap it around this, and it makes it easier for you to tie the balloons. And lastly, it also comes with the long string that you're going to tie the balloons into. So I'm not sure what this is called, but it's basically a long piece of plastic, and it has little holes in it, and you put the ends of the balloons into it until you have created the shape that you want. So I'll show you how I do it as it goes along. This is my first time. I'm not an expert, but I watched a few videos, and I'm going to see if I can make a balloon garland just like the ones I was seeing online for hundreds of dollars. So let's get into it. One more thing, I also bought a balloon pump. So this is the balloon pump I got here. So these things were really inexpensive. The balloon pump was only $28.99, and the balloon kit was only $28.99 as well. So if you want, you can just do the balloons. I also bought a backdrop. So I bought a really big green backdrop that kind of imitates plants. It looks like those shrubbery, or it's like, I can't remember what they call it. It's basically a backdrop that looks like plants. So hopefully it doesn't look too cheesy. I wanted to buy the actual, what do you call that? The actual pieces of shrub that you can put together and make that into a backdrop, but that was really expensive, and it also looked like it would have been challenging too, because you have to put it on a like wood backdrop or mount it onto something because it's kind of heavy. So the backdrop I bought was really inexpensive. It was only about $20. So I am going to put all of this together for my party tomorrow and bring you guys along with me, and if it was a success, it would have only cost me under $100. Okay, so the first step, I'm going to separate the big balloons from the small balloons and blow all 124 balloons up. This could take a while, but I'm gonna get a few friends to help me, and I'll be back once it's blown up to show you what I did. So we're going to blow the big balloons up with the electric pump, and the small balloons will be blown up with this hand pump here. So let's get started. Okay, so we've moved it inside so we have more space. So here are all the contents separated. Here are the big balloons on one side and the small ones. And the kit also came with the tape, so you can stick the little small balloons on once you're done. I'm not sure what this is called, but it's a big plastic piece of, I guess this is the garland piece that you put all of the balloons on. And then also this blue thing is so that it's easier for you to tie the balloons at the ends. So I also got a hand pump from the dollar store and an electric pump from Amazon. Okay, so with the sparkly ones like this, I saw a YouTube video and they show that you should use a cloth and rub it down like this so it creates static so that the sparkles will stick to the outside of the balloon. Okay, so now all the balloons are blown up. All the big balloons are blown up and I kept all the small balloons on one side. So the next step is to take the garland here and unravel it. So as you can see, there are holes, little small holes on it here. There's a big hole and a small hole. So what you're going to do is put the end of your balloon in the big hole and then slide it over to the small hole. So I'll show you here. Just like that. So you just keep going on and keep putting your big balloons in the holes until it's all full. Okay, so now we're finished constructing the balloon garland, so I'll just show you real quickly what it looks like now. Okay, so now I'm in the backyard where I'm going to put up the backdrop. I'm going to put it up against this brick wall right here, so I'll be back when I put it up. Okay, so the backdrop is up. We put it up with some double-sided tape that's good for outdoor, that's good on brick. So hopefully it stays up really, it feels really secure, so it should be fine. Now we're going to get the balloon garland and put up along the side of the backdrop as well as along the top. So we'll be right back when we're doing that. Okay, so right now I am using fishing line just to wrap this. There's a pole going up right here, so I'm going to use that as some leverage, and I'm going to wrap these balloons going up the pole. And then once I get to the top, I'm going to use command hooks and put some at the top, and then use the fishing line and tie them around the command hooks.
Damn!
Okay, so the balloon garland is strung up. We're almost done. It was a bit of a struggle to put them up on the brick here. The hooks that you have to get if you are doing it on brick, they make sure that they are command hooks or really strong outdoor hooks so that they stay, because I had a bunch here that I tried and they didn't work. So that's just a little tip. And also be sure that you have at least one other person helping you, because it can be a struggle once you get to the top to hold it all up there. And make sure it doesn't fall down as you're stringing it up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take, I have these little accent balloons here. I'm going to just take them and fill in the places where I think they'll look cute. Just fill in the spaces. Some spaces you can kind of see the ends of the balloons there. So just go and have fun with it, and I'll let you know what the final product looks like when I'm done. So I forgot to mention, in the kit, I mentioned earlier, it came with these little balloon glue dots. So this is what we're going to be using to put these little balloons on and sticking them on. So you're going to take your balloon dots, just stick them where you want them on the balloon, and then just place them and stick them exactly where you want them. Okay, so now all of the balloons are filled in. We filled in all the spaces with smaller balloons, and this is the final product. Okay, that concludes this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!